Hello guys, today we are going to tell you something about
Hello guys,
Sayara movie.
good evening. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shreya.
I'm Rahul Moria.
Yes. So are you talking about Sayana movie?
Yeah,
He has watched. I
yes, I
have
have watched.
I have watched 20%.
She doesn't want to watch because she was always criticizing the movie before watching it. So I thought that I should give her review that you should watch or not.
Hmm.
I think that movie is good. Not I can't say that extraordinary or something that you must watch. But
Hmm.
yeah, that is good for entertainment if you want to feel.
Teenagers will mostly like that.
Are you not teenager?
I'm not teenager. Teenager means the age which and with
Below than
teen
18?
below the 20.
Below the 18?
See guys, 19 teenage in the
17?
18, 19. where where the word come like teen from 13
Hmm.
to 19.
Okay, today I have understood this.
Teenage.
Hmm.
Yes.
I used to think that till 18
No.
means below than 18.
No.
Hmm.
Yes.
Teenage.
Yes. From 13 they started till 19.
I want to confirm because
So guys, let him confirm that. And I want to say you something about Sayara movie. Sayara movie is the starting was
teen
very boring. I
means
don't know.
age
The
limit.
story is like about little bit like Ashike 2, yes, Kabir Singh, Hamari Adhuri Kahani, and Half Girlfriend. Means all the steps and moments they have edited in this what we can say in this movie. And the song is Sayara, that was also the copyright from old song, which was sung by Kishore Kumar, I think. So the song is also copyrighted though, what we can say.
And what is the starting of teen?
13.
Today I know.
I was right.
Yes, you.
Will you not say so? Thank you.
Thank you for.
Will you not say me how would you know? And will you not say me anything? That's good.
Okay, thank you for telling me this truth, which was not visible in my mind before.
Hmm?
Thank you so much. Okay, do you like my hair or not?
I feel
Headache.
no, not headache. Means irritation here.
Hmm. So you
While
want to show your white forehead?
yes, in ancient time the queens
Hmm.
who had broad
Hmm.
forehead and white forehead, they are means the they are
People
considered
consider
they
as
considered
beautiful.
yes beautiful, and they take participate in queen.
Okay.
So I am very lucky. And the people who have curly hairs, they are considered like fairy.
Fairy tale.
Yes, they have curly hairs in that books.
Okay.
I have also curly hair. So, I was when I opened my ears in morning,
Hmm.
my hair was like full of means you
Volume.
can't yours full of volume. It was looking like this much.
Hmm.
Avika was saying that Chachi, your hair is so long. I said not so long. So she was not able to say that like very much. And when I will apply oil, the pony will like this. But my volume is you can't manage. I don't know why. Sometimes I think that it is good for me because my if my hair will fall, it will still look like how he or she has.
Nowadays you are not making thumbnail. May I know
May I also know?
what?
You are also not making thumbnail.
Because I don't have photo
Okay.
and you don't give me your phone.
Okay. So today I will make. I took photo, but I upload as the photo. But I should make thumbnail. Is it? It attracts more people. Tell me something about Sayara movie. Tell.
Yeah, it is all about love, you know,
Yes.
or according to you,
Hmm.
nibba nibbe.
Yes. Many people have said,
Hmm.
that don't watch this movie with the family because very vulgar scene you can see in that
No,
movie.
only in songs, which
So,
if you don't want
so
to,
means parents will not watch in the
yeah,
cinemas.
yeah, they will watch. But one thing I did not like that movie,
Hmm.
which I will say,
Hmm.
you know what happened when uh, that girl means heroine was coming with hero. So
Hmm.
when he dropped, I think behind his home, so their parents were means girl's parents
Hmm.
were buying vegetables,
Okay.
so they have seen.
Okay.
And when her mother started asking who is he,
Hmm.
so she did not say anything.
Hmm.
Okay, but I don't know what happened. But when she was not well and she was admitted in the hospital,
Hmm.
so that boy was with him
Hmm.
and their parents was also there.
Hmm.
And after some time, their
Hmm.
parents allowed him or her
Hmm.
to go on vacation because
Hmm.
doctor suggested him her to go outside,
Hmm.
and their parents allowed
Hmm.
her to go with a stranger. So
Full this,
yeah,
the
that thing I did
movie.
not like. How can a
Hmm.
parents give permission like
Yes.
this to go
Hmm.
with boy?
I support the movie which is truly based. Nowadays, I am supporting that movies like Super 30. Hmm.
Hmm.
And Titanic, one of my recent movie, and Super 30, and what else?
Hmm.
Oh, Kesari 2, Kesari. These all are truly based movie. So
Hmm.
I means really watched and I really cried at that moment in the means movie. So if we are talking about movies, so we should talk about Kesari 2, the
Hmm.
heart touching movie I have seen in my last 2 3 years. Seriously, it was very matlab, means we have learned this. What was the movie? Jallianwala Bagh Hatyakand in our SST book. Okay, that was only means 2 3 page. That incident was closed, but no one has told about that lawyer that he has
Who's
means
the real hero?
who is the real hero of the means
This incident.
incident. He has let to know all the Indians that this was this
Yeah,
was
real story.
real story. Means the British had killed. They were not, but we will say Atangwadi. They were not
Terrorist.
terrorists. Means they were saying that they were terrorists.
Hmm.
So the lawyer has fought and he has proved in the court that
Fought.
fought that the blur video is, it's okay guys, it's okay. So the lawyer, I don't know what was the name, do you know? I
No,
also forget. Dyer, nahi, Dyer, he was killer.
General Dyer was.
He was the enemy, you can say,
Yeah, yeah.
the main enemy. So I don't know the lawyer name, but means he has done all the things and we Indians don't know about that. So the movie should be based on the true incident,
Hmm.
not like the foolish things that means you are saying that girl's family has allowed with the stranger. Nowadays people are not trusting in neighbor and they have sand with a stranger. It is
On
never
vacation,
you're on vacation.
vacation.
It can't be happened in any Indian family. And that movie is Indian movie. So what is the truth in this movie? Nothing. So if I suggest you, it is my review that I 10% I like that movie, 10% only with the song.
But you did not watch all movie. How can you say this?
This review you have said and I have seen in YouTube little bit shorts. I means when I have seen the some what we can say trailer of KC2, I was eager to watch.
Hmm.
Yes, but when I said this trailer, I was said nothing will happen in this movie. Seriously, yourself. When I have seen, I was thinking. So guys, my video is also blurry.
Yeah, bye guys.
Bye bye guys. Take care. Love
Thank
you all.
you.
Keep supporting.